so much fun buying all these kids' toys.
And look what I brought. Juice boxes.
Hello?
Okay, rule number 1. Unless you're served in a frosted glass, never come within 4 feet of my lips. I smell liquor on my breath. You're drunk. Honey, you say potato, I say vodka. Watch as I double the number of people in the audience.
Come on. How can I do a list of famous TV show cocktails I've always wanted to try? It's a really long title. I have to fix that. And not mention my favorite drinker or my drinking buddy in my head, Miss Karen Walker. The only Karen we all love, Miss Karen Walker. Now, I know she never creates cocktails, she just drinks them. But there was a cocktail created in an episode of season 8 where this girl, this professional, was stumped. The whole episode, she's guessing what's the secret ingredient in Will's mom's cocktail, the Blue Maryland. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna create the cocktail take 2.
Happening, what's that?
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna create the cocktail that not only did Karen love, stumped her, kept her speechless. Oh yeah. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Obviously, I'm wearing something a little Karen-like for beloved Karen. You had to. I don't have a jack here, but I got the goods.
Denied. Approved.
So when I started looking up the recipe, I did find one that was kind of circling around, but it's just our guesstimating, of course. And the thing that caught my attention were the ingredients that Karen tells us. It's going to be vodka, blue curacao, peach schnapps, a pinch of something powder. She's upset because it's just sugar. Bitters, and then the secret ingredient she can't guess. Well, 3 of those ingredients happen to be in one of my favorite Disney cocktails, the Blue Glotini. Yes, all roads lead to Disney. All roads, in my mind, always lead to Disney. It's just how it is in my brain. That's how I get through life. So, since that popped in my brain, I think I'm gonna try to do the measurements similar to it. Why not? And then also, if I don't like it, it's so similar to the Disney cocktail, I could just turn it into Disney cocktail. There you go. Disney cocktail with a twist. So let's see, because we all know I'm not the biggest fan of vodka. So let's see. All right, so what I have here, we are gonna start off with an ounce of vodka. Let's see. Okay, so by the way, I'm putting it in here because we're gonna stir the drink. So there's nothing citrus. From my research, the reason why you stir is if it's mainly alcohol based. Since it's mainly alcohol based, we're gonna try stirring. This is not the proper glass, FYI. That's a disclaimer of a mess that's probably going to happen. So if you're trying this at home, careful. So that was 1 ounce of vodka, and then now we're gonna do like the Disney measurements. 1/2 ounce. How the hell did I do that? Okay. 1/2 ounce of peach schnapps. Okay. And then 1/2 ounce of the blue curacao. They actually do like 1.5 ounces of the vodka, but I have no juice to cut it, so we're gonna just do 1 ounce of vodka and then 1/2 ounce of the sweet stuff. I really want to do more, but let's just see how it looks. Oh, not looks, taste. Taste this way. So Karen gets excited when she goes, "I bet you something powder." Oh, sugar. Well, I don't have powdered sugar. I don't bake. I'm not buying a thing of powdered sugar just for this. So instead, I'm gonna substitute with what I already have, which is simple syrup. I don't know what a pinch is, so I'm going to assume, I don't know. I don't want to free ball it because I'll just accidentally put the whole thing in here. I'm going to do 0.25 ounce. That was small. I think that's good enough. Alrighty, and then the next thing she guessed is bitters. She didn't say what type of bitters, so usually this type of bitters, aromatic, I can't talk today. This type is the type that everyone uses, so when you just say bitters. So we're gonna try this one. And it smells, this is a Christmas episode that this is based on. It smells kind of Christmassy to me. So we're gonna do 3 dashes. 1, 2, 3. They're such baby dashes. One more for luck, such like little dashes. Alrighty, and that's it. Before we put in the secret ingredient, because Will does say when he outs his mom in the end that she puts it in last after the drink is already done. So now we're going to add the ice. You should have a big one, like big ice cube would be better. But you gotta use what you have. So this is what I have, and now we're gonna stir. Well, you're trying to move the ice around. We're gonna attempt to properly stir to make it cold for 30 seconds. All right, I'm making a mess, and it's cold enough for me, so we're just gonna try it. Yeah, I got this. I mean, it fits. Get ready for some comedy here. Like, I'm nervous. Ah! Okay, well, let's just do it. Just do it. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Okay, 1, 2, just do it. 3. It's working. Oh shit, it's working. Shocked that actually freaking worked. What? Oh my god. Alrighty, it's very pretty. It's very, very pretty. Let's see how she tastes. Right now we have the Blue Marilyn sans secret ingredient. So yeah, so let's try it before the secret ingredient, see how it tastes. Ooh, it's not bad. I definitely mainly taste the peach. I think that's because I have very little vodka in there. I mainly taste the peach. It's actually very delicious. All right, now for the secret ingredient. So what Will said at the end of the episode, after Karen tried racking her little alcoholic brain to figure out what it was, and she couldn't figure it out, even though she thought it was the most exotic thing in the world, milk, and it wasn't. Will said that his mom liked to take a cherry sucrete, the cough drop, and try to secretly melt it into the cocktail. So that's the secret ingredient. I'm not doing that. I'm not encouraging putting cough medicine into your alcohol. I'm not saying we all haven't done something similar, like you're on vacation, you have allergies, you take an allergy pill with your pina colada. It happens. I'm not encouraging it. So I'm not going to do it. But I'm not saying it's not realistic. But I think I have the next best thing. Don't drop anything. Haha. I have cherry liqueur. This is maraschino cherry liqueur. Since it's a cherry sucrete, why not? I don't want to put any grenadine. I'm not gonna I'll drop this if I try to find that. Anyways, I'm not gonna put any grenadine because it's really gonna change the color, and I just don't really like the taste that much. Anyways, so and since this is mainly alcohol and that's what Karen loves, or a pill, let's put in something that she would love. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit, like a bar spoon. I'm trying to guesstimate how much one of those would melt into. I would say a little bar spoon is enough. That's about a teaspoon, I would say. All right. Let's see. Definitely adds to it. The taste stronger, but I still taste the peach. But the most important thing is that I don't taste the vodka. So that is the most important thing. I don't taste the vodka, which means that I can enjoy a Blue Maryland. Because this is actually, see the label, so nice. This is actually pretty good. Pretty tasty, but it's alcohol, so this is definitely a sipper. But look how pretty it is. You're having like a holiday cocktail party, you put out one of these, you're walking around with this. That's a conversation starter. See a cute guy, he sees your glass. Oh, what are you drinking? I'm drinking Blue Maryland. And then there you go. Oh, see, look at me, just like matching people up. I mean, we have months till then, and let's see when's the next time we see another human being in real life. But, you know, we gotta plan for when it happens. And when it happens, here's a little icebreaker come Christmas time. So this is it. The Will and Grace Blue Maryland. Cheers to the Karen Walker in all of us.
Oh, this is so exciting!